We are Marta and Garrity, a Canadian couple who 1 year ago bought 2.5 acres of vacant land in northern Ontario in hopes to turn it into our dream cabin. As our own general contractors, we've been pushing to get the cabin move-in ready as we leave our city life behind. From excavation to foundation and framing, we managed to get dried in just in the nick of time before a long, hard winter. Hit subscribe to follow our journey and welcome to our channel. So we came this week to start picking out fun things for the house that I've been looking forward to for months. We got our floor tiles, which are penny round matte white tiles for the bathroom. So we're just picking those up right now. I sent Garrity to get them. He's coming back though. I don't know why. Where do we get them?
To go in the back.
Oh, okay. So yeah, we gotta go around back. So we're going to do that now, and then tomorrow I'm going to another tile shop in the morning to try to find our laundry room tile and tile for the back of the wood burning stove. And yeah, lots of fun things to pick out. We also bought online our laminate flooring at Home Depot, so we have to go pick that up tomorrow. It's going to be
underlayment.
Yeah, and the underlayment. So because obviously we're on slab, so we did want to make sure we had an underlayment for the laminate, so we're going to get that tomorrow as well. Picked out this for the laundry room. We're at our favorite place, the Home Depot. So I went to get tiles earlier. They were pretty expensive, so we only got the laundry room tiles the day before. We got our bathroom tiles, and today, where are you going? Oh. And now we just have to buy our behind the stove tiles. They were the cheapest here for the look that we wanted. And we're also picking up our flooring. Unfortunately, it's blizzarding, but we're going tomorrow up north, so we want to bring it with us. Anyway, I'll take you along. You can say our car is very full. I have underlayment beside me. Our trunk is packed to the brim and is actually sitting pretty low because of how heavy it is with the tiles and the flooring. So we're gonna drive slow, and we strapped everything in, so hopefully safe. Okay, good morning. So we are always playing Tetris. We bought way too much flooring, can't bring it all in one shot, so leaving a few inside my parents' house, some in the garage, and we're gonna try to bring as much as we can, some of the tiles, and now we are just going to cram everything in and get going. It's pretty late in the day, but yeah. So we are back and things look a lot different. They are pretty much done drywalling, so this wall looks completely different. The electricians came and we actually have lights hanging and the electrical works. We have plugs in, which is amazing, and yeah, it's super exciting. Even all our so Garrity just turned on the lights. Cool. Yeah, it looks really different in here. It made such an impact. There's gonna be a lot of taping and mudding that needs to be done, and hopefully next weekend we're also going to have my brother come up and start installing our tiles. So we're gonna tile behind the wood oven stove, we're gonna tile in the bathroom, and tile in the laundry room. So quite a lot of work to do, but yeah, it feels like a house. It's crazy that I can flick a switch and lights come on. And even in our laundry room, so we have a lot of stuff going on here, but there's a light. You can shut on and off, so yeah, pretty cool. can't even see the orange tarp anymore. That's how much it snowed. Also, our roof has a lot of snow on it. The sun's starting to go down, so we're gonna try to start bringing everything in that we brought up. I think Gertie's gonna try to make his path a little easier to walk on first. It must have snowed quite a bit yesterday. This is only half of them in the car, so we're gonna have to bring up another So this is about half of it. The other half's at my parents' house. I have one more actually. And now we're moving on to the tiles. And the tiles are for behind the stove. Are you tired?
Yes, I am.
Heavy stuff.
That's what happens when you have a couple of drinks before the night.
Yeah, now you're feeling it. Anyways, we went with these like black granite looking, they're porcelain though, tiles for behind the stove. The sun's starting to set beyond the horizon. Stan's very curious what we're doing. I can't lift the tiles, so Gertie is gonna bring them in, and we also are, I think, at 15% propane, so we requested they come just because there's some snowstorms gonna happen, so we're gonna try to clear the snow that fell yesterday because they need to drive up closer to the house to where the propane tank is. I am covered in dust as always. Anyway, things are starting to take place. The floor is a little premature. We know we're not starting it. We have to paint, finish the drywall, finish the ceiling, but it was on sale and it was really hard to find like a large quantity of it at one location, and I had found some, so we were like, might as well just bring it up. It's not gonna get in the way, it'll be fine. And tiling is gonna start next week. So that's really exciting, but a lot of work ahead of us still. So we made up a timeline in our heads, I think from the beginning of this, which was March. We're now at the end of January, and we're really hopeful that we can get occupancy in late March and move up here, because obviously we've been living with my parents for a good chunk of time, and it's time to move out and just have our own space again. So we're really pushing for that end of March timeline. Obviously it is what it is if that doesn't happen, but I'm pretty hopeful. Things have been moving in an okay direction for us so far, and we've really pushed to get things going. Anyway, gotta continue bringing things in. Oh, I forgot I had this. These things, hot hands, are game changers. I have one in my shoe, but my fingers are always frozen. It is really cold. I think it's like minus 25 Celsius, and the sun's about to go down. Gotta go get the keys to move the car so we can shovel there too. Hopefully I'm walking up a hill right now. Woo! Anyway, good times. We still gotta take all this inside at some point, so man, it doesn't stop, you know? But we're grateful we get to do this. It's so beautiful out here. Definitely beats city life. The most exciting part of what I get to do now is no more construction lamps. We have pot lights, working pot lights, which is super exciting. These are the tiles that are going to go all the way up to the corner. I think it'll look nice. Kind of matches that same look as the wood stove. I was concerned it wouldn't pop enough, but this isn't really black. It's like a stone color, so I think it'll be nice. What do you think?
I have no say in this. So.
Exactly. I can't help you with this. They're too heavy for me.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open
So
on
different with
many
this wall.
when the
drywall
old
now.
one's gone under.
Stands just resting.
Should be good.
The blade height will be the same.
Yeah.
We just need an inch at the front for the overhang.
Okay.
I wonder if I just... That's mint. And I got a
Custom nosing.
custom nosing. And then the floor.
Just don't fall on it.
Up to it. Then it'll be a little bit higher here. I'll sand this down.
Yeah.
I'm gonna router this edge.
could leave it there. So we decided to leave early. There's a snowstorm heading our way. We have a trunk full of debris that we need to go drop off and probably get a snack and hopefully make it home safely. This week's episode wasn't that fun. A lot of just getting, you know, tiles and flooring to where they need to be, picking things up.
And a lot of me loading and unloading.
Yeah, a lot of carrying for Garrity, and the guys are just doing some finishing touches on the stairs. Our taper and mutter is going to come this week and hopefully start doing that, and then we'll be up this weekend to do tiles with my brother. So lots of finishing touches and things going on, but yeah, hopefully we're pushing through. Anyway, thank you for watching. We appreciate the support. If you haven't already, please hit subscribe. It helps us grow. See you on the next one. Face that wasn't even close to mine. I know I shouldn't be in love, but it's so hard to move on. You haven't changed.